So, we as a society had this high consumption level, and what's resulting in it is that the aquifers in this country, which are the huge, huge underground caverns of water that stretch across a lot of the United States, especially in the Midwest and Western states, they are dropping, and they have dropped over 100 feet since the 1940s, which means that they're not being replenished. Water's being drawn out, but water isn't going back in. Because we build big cities, that we have these very elaborate drainage systems, and we don't allow water to recharge into the earth. We talk about stormwater management and how stormwater flows right off our properties, right into gutters, and right into sewer systems, and right into waterways. It's actually not ever reaching down into the earth. A lot of times it's just sent down river, and that's not a bad thing in itself, but it's full of pollutants, and it's also full of sediments, and the water doesn't actually reach down into the water table, which is below many of these areas. And that's just a simplified explanation, but it's a complex issue, and there's a lot of research and ongoing studying of what's going on with the water tables in this country. It's the U.S. government spends an enormous amount of time tracking it because it's such a critical part to our way of life. We wouldn't have the mega farms that we have across the western states and the Midwestern states if it wasn't for those water tables. They use that water to irrigate. And as a result, not only do we have less water, but we still have this problem with pollution. If you see, 1/3 of the lakes, streams, and rivers are unsafe for swimming, for recreation, for drinking. So, we're talking fresh water. Think about it. 1/3 of the water in this country that's residing in bodies, rivers around us, you cannot drink. It's not safe to swim in. You probably shouldn't fish out of it. So we have a real crisis at hand. We don't ever really talk about that because that's one of the things that we're very good about. We until it's a big enough problem and people are up in arms about it,